Toyota's two most powerful vehicles are the Sequoia SUV and Tundra pickup truck, both of which have full-sized dimensions. For 2024, they have made certain improvements that make their mid-range limited trim levels more appealing, such as adding a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster as a standard feature and adding the Nightshade aesthetic package as an optional feature. Now available on the Tundra and Sequoia Limited, the stealthy Nightshade appearance has become a trademark of Toyota, appearing on everything from the small Corolla to the Camry family sedan to the hybrid Venza SUV. It includes black painted wheels, black mirror caps, and a black grille with a body color surround. The Tundra and Sequoia's non-TRD Pro variants can be upgraded with a 3.0-inch race kit that Toyota launched last year and was created by its TRD division. It works with the full-sizes driver assistance technology and raises the ride height by 2.6 inches, in addition to increasing approach and departure angles. It includes forged upper control arms from Roush Performance, higher front coil springs painted red, Bilstein monotube shocks, and other components. All 2022 and newer vehicles are eligible for the TRD lift kit installation at Toyota dealerships, which costs $3,995, not including installation. Toyota hasn't yet disclosed price or pictures for the 2024 Sequoia, although the most recent Tundra may be customized on the consumer website. The starting price of the vehicle is $41,815 for the base SR trim, $53,705 for the limited trim, and just over $64,000 for the more opulent 1794 edition trim. Of course, the price will go even further if four-wheel drive and/or the hybrid V6 powertrain are chosen. The 2040 TRD Pro and Capstone, which start at $73,980 and $80,695 respectively, both come standard with both enhancements. And now let's go over the details of the upcoming 2024 Toyota Tundra again. The full-size Toyota Tundra truck will continue the strategy it set forth when it made its 2000 debut. Compete with the long-standing segment leaders by offering a somewhat distinct as well as eccentric twist on the half-ton pickup concept. For example, the current 2024 Tundra cannot be equipped with a V8 engine, which, to some conventional truck buyers, would be tantamount to treason. A twin turbocharged V6 in two states of tune and a third V6 hybrid type have taken its place. Its lack of a full-time four-wheel drive option is also noteworthy. It adheres more closely to the specifications of a typical truck, offering 5.5, 6.5, or 8.1 feet beds and extended or crew cab body types. 7 trim levels, from the entry-level SR to the top-of-the-line Capstone, are available for the cab and bed combinations. The Ram 1500 is the only vehicle that currently has coil spring rear suspension, which usually provides a smoother ride but reduces payload capacity in the Tundra. Its maximum towing capability of 12,000 pounds is more than sufficient for the majority of regular users, although being less than the towing capacities of the Ram 1500, Ford F-150, and Chevrolet Silverado 1500. A few aesthetic and package changes are planned for Tundra in 2024. The Platinum grade now offers the TRD off-road option, which includes a body color and black door handle, over fenders and badging, a black grille with a color-keyed surround, black mirror caps, window surrounds, and window tinting. The head-up display, which was previously only offered as part of the load-leveling air suspension package on Platinum and 1794 grades, is now a standalone option. Except for the TRD Pro, which has its own suspension system, all models now come with a factory 3-inch lift kit. 3 power levels are available for the 2024 Tundra, all of which are based on a turbocharged 3.4-litre V6. The engine is adjusted for 348 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque in the base SR model. Otherwise, it produces 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet. A 10-speed automatic transmission is used by all, powered by a 389 horsepower twin-turbo V6 that, according to reports, will reach 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. Similar to the Ram 1500, the Tundra has a coil spring rear suspension that offers a more comfortable ride when used regularly. The TRD Off-Road Edition comes equipped with all-terrain tires placed on a unique set of black 18-inch wheels, a raised suspension with Bilstein dampers, a rear locker, skid plates, mudguards, aluminium pedals, a leather-wrapped shift knob, and a heated leather steering wheel. The TRD Pro. Notice that the TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro are two different packages, with a 1.1-inch front lift, 2.5-inch Fox internal bypass coilovers and rear remote reservoir shocks, as well as a TRD Pro front stabilizer bar, is what those looking for the most off-road capability should choose. The TRD Sport package takes a different tack, giving a half-inch lowered suspension and 20-inch wheels to achieve a sportier look and more agile on-road performance. The 2024 Tundra is the least capable vehicle in the half-ton class, despite having a maximum towing capacity of 12,000 pounds. With a 14,000 pound rating, the Ford F-150 is in first place, followed by the Chevrolet Silverado at 13,300 and the Ram 1500 at 12,750. The maximum payload is 1940 pounds, which is more than 1,300 pounds more than the Ford's 3,250 pound payload capacity. The EPA rates the 2024 Tundra's two-wheel drive version in normal, non-hybrid configuration for up to 20 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway. Four-wheel drive lowers those ratings by 1 miles per gallon each. Despite having substantially higher material and design quality than the previous generation, the current Tundra doesn't provide anything novel or groundbreaking for the truck market. The dashboard is substantial and covered in noticeable air vents. The centerpiece, which connects the door panels, is substantial and smooth. Upgrading materials and features as you move up the trim hierarchy leads to the top-of-the-line capstone semi-aniline leather upholstery, American walnut interior trim, acoustically laminated side windows, and heads-up display. The top trim levels come with a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel gauge cluster, but analog gauges and a tiny driver information display are standard. With so many nooks to store the clutter of modern life, the center console is very large. While the crew cab, also known as Crew Max, is provided with a 5.5 or 6.5 foot bed, the extended cab, also known as double cab, has a 6.5 or 8.1 foot bed as an option. The extended cab has 33.3 inches of legroom in the back seat compared to 41.6 inches in the crew cab when choosing the shorter cab. Front row comfort is unaffected. A 14-inch screen is an option on the SR and is standard across the rest of the lineup. Although the SR and SR5 grade Tundras come with the 8.0-inch infotainment touchscreen as standard. It is prominently displayed in the center of the dashboard, has clear graphics, a helpful volume knob, but no tuning knob, and the steering wheel controls are only partially functional. The base audio system has 6 extended cab or 9 speakers. The 12-speaker JBL premium audio system is standard on limited and above models. Wireless charging is standard on platinum and higher models. A subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot is also available, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. All Tundras come equipped with the Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 package of driver support features, which also includes lane departure alert with steering assistance and automatic highlights. All limited models and higher come standard with blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and trailer recognition. And that ends today's episode. Are you a Tundra and Sequoia lover? Let us know in the comment section below. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.